Do you know about history? No, I don't know anything about history. Then you have spoiled 1/4 of your life. I don't regret for it. Have you ever studied geography? No, I have not heard of it. Oh, then you have spoiled half of your life. I don't regret that. Do you know anything about science? No, I know nothing of science. Your life is almost spoiled. I don't regret that. But the dark cloud says a storm is coming. My small boat won't stand against it. It will sink. Do you know how to swim? No, I don't. Now you are going to be drowned with all your bookish knowledge. Your whole life is spoiled.